Welcome to today's video. If you design automation, robotics or test equipment, choosing the right linear actuator is essential but often confusing. Many actuators look similar, yet their performance in speed, precision and lifetime is completely different. Let's make this simple and compare mechanical versus direct drive. Traditional spindle actuators convert rotation through a screw. They work, but friction, backlash and wear limit precision and cycle time. Direct drive linear motor axes like the Elax and Linax series create motion without mechanical transmission. This delivers smooth movement, high dynamics up to 3 meters per second, and repeatability down to plus or minus 1 to 5 micrometers, depending on the encoder system. Modern machines demand small footprints. Iani Science axes are engineered for extremely high force density in minimal space. Elax integrates the linear motor directly into the slide. Linax LXC achieves zero moving cables with its monoblock design, ideal for lab automation, semiconductor processes and medical devices. Let's have a look at this example. High-speed pick and place, fast YZ strokes require acceleration, precision and high cycle life. Elax electric slides provide stable micrometer repeatability and millions of maintenance-free cycles, perfect for compact pick and place units. Let's have a look at this example. Assembly with force control. Many applications need controlled force, connector insertion, testing or inspection. With Force Tech Basic, force is measured directly inside the Xenax controller, no external load cell required. Force Tech Pro supports external DMS sensors via the built-in Signatech amplifier for higher precision. This enables force limiting, force control and force monitoring directly in the actuator. Let's have a look at plug-and-play integration. Xenax servo controllers simplify commissioning, automatic axis detection, browser-based web motion setup, integrated position and force control, field bus options like EtherCAT, Profinet, PowerLink, Canopen and more. Mount the axis, connect power and field bus load parameters. Done. Let's have a look at the quick selection guide. Basic linear motion, mechanical actuator, high speed or high dynamics, Elax Linax direct drive, on precision, Linax with optical encoder, force controlled assembly, Force Tech Basic or Force Tech Pro, limited space, Elax or Linax, LXC, fast commissioning, Xenax plug and play. To summarize, direct drive linear motor actuators offer the best mix of compact size, high dynamics, micrometer accuracy and integrated force processes. They make automation easier, faster and more reliable. If you need support for your next project, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.